Hi everyone, this is Chrislou Alba. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I do DIYs, reformations, and makeup recreations. So guys, we're back again with another DIY videos. And so for today's video, I'll be showing you how I created this reversible bikini. So I made this bikini by using these two dresses, which is given to me by my cousin and my aunt. So these dresses has this stretchy fabric. That's why I use this as a bikini or the reversible bikini. So if you like to know how I created this reversible bikini, just keep on watching. First of all, I'll be using this tank top again. I'll be tracing the center part or the neckline of this top, and I'll try creating an armhole instead of making it as a triangle. I am measuring 5 inches downward for my desired length and 6 inches for the width, which is our lower bust circumference. And then connect the bottom line to the armhole. I am now tracing for the sleeves at the top, measuring 3 inches upward. For the bottom, I'm adding 1 inch allowance but decided to make it half an inch. For the side is 1 inch so that it still fits on me in case of, then 1/2 inch for the armhole and the neckline. The armhole is just drawn directly, so you can use t-shirts to trace your armhole or anything that you are comfortable to use. I'll be creating a pattern for the tops of my bikini because I am not confident enough on directly cutting the fabric. This time, I'm tracing the front pattern for our back pattern. I'm tracing the bottom, the side, and the armhole of the pattern. Once you're finished tracing it, get the front pattern, and I measured 8 inches downward because I want my top to be backless or have that U shape. So I thought of not putting darts, but I changed my mind and decided to put darts anyway so that it fits on my chest. I cut the seams of the first dress so that I can easily lay the patterns of the bikini top. This is the back pattern of the bikini. I forgot to film the front yet. Still, I can show it to you on the other dress, the violet one. Pinning the pattern onto the fabric is very essential in every cutting. Never forget to pin it. It results to a clean edges on your fabric. Now that we're done with our top, I have this underwear here that I really like, so I'm tracing first the back. I'm adding 4 inches upward both sides. I'm now tracing for the front piece of the bottom. I'm tracing with a thigh hole thoroughly. I want it to cover more down there but also high rise on the sides. I just follow the seams. You can just trace one side of the bikini and just fold them when cutting so that they have the same sides. And then I'm planning to just reach my belly button, not that high-waisted nor mid-waisted bikini. So I'm also adding 4 inches upward on the sides and then find the center point and measure 1 inch down of it, and because I want my bikini bottom to have that V shape onto the waist, it may add sexiness to me, I guess. I'm just using the gray one to trace the violet fabric. In that way, it would be easier for me to have both bottoms with the same measurement. Anyway, I didn't make pattern for it because I can say it's easy to directly cut it. Sewing all the dart first because that is our first step in every sewing. The darts will be sewed first, both the gray and the violet fabric. Next is attach the sleeves and sides, right sides facing together using zigzag stitches. I am attaching both the violet and gray together. They'll be sewed right side facing together. Sewing it from the center front, then to the center back, then sewing back to the center front again, reaching the other end onto the back. So for the armhole, I'm folding both the violet and the gray fabric in the middle, so they'll be sandwiching the raw edges, and I just top stitching it. After that, I'm top stitching the center part down to the back, so there will be visible seams in our bikini. So another bra loss is padding, another victim for my project, so I used these pads for my top bikini. I just put it underneath. It will be sandwiched again to both fabrics, hand sewing it for sure security. I'm pinning the bottom of the top afterwards, pinning them in the middle, the same thing I did from my armholes, so they'll be sandwich. You know, I keep on mentioning sandwich. I may be hungry. Anyway, top stitching it to close. I'm not stretching the fabric once I'm sewing because the fabric itself is very stretchy and it might wrinkle the edges of the bikini. After that, sewing all the sides of the bottom first, right sides facing together, then sew them using a zigzag stitch. Next is attach the crotches part together. Gray to gray crotches and violet to violet crotch. Still sew them with a zigzag stitch. Same with the top bottom, the thigh holes will be sewn just how I did with my armholes. So folding it on the middle, sandwiching again the raw edges. For the last part, the waist, same thing, fold it on the middle to close and then top stitch. So here's the final look of the reversible bikini. Ating reversible bikini. So I hope you enjoyed watching the tutorial, and I hope that you've got an idea on how to create or how to make this reversible bikini. So it is just the easiest way for me to create a reversible bikini. So guys, if you like this video, just click the thumbs up down below. And if you haven't done subscribing to my channel, guys, please click the subscribe button down below and also click the notification bell for more upcoming videos. So before anything else, shoutout pala kay Sensor.gaming.tv. So nagpa-shoutout kasi siya. So shoutout din sa mga klase ko dyan. Laban tayo guys. Kaya natin to. See you in my next video guys. Bye! I'm a fool for your love.